Once we open our Tia Portal software, we will see this screen. We can create a new project or open an existing one. We select Create and name the new project. We can configure our project from this screen or from the project view. We select Devices and Networks and add a new device. We go to Controllers, select NCU, and select the right version of the NCU. Then we go to the PLC Property segment. On Profinet Interface, we can name our Profinet network. In this case, it will be Profinet. We can also configure the type of safety that we're going to be using. In this case, it will be SPL. This will allow us to change the ProfiSafe master address of the PLC. Here we can change our safety master address. We're going to enter a 3000. On Profinet Interface, we can also change the IP address. We have to uncheck this option to be able to change the name of the device. Then we go to Devices and Networks again and start adding the rest of the components of our network. We will start with the ET200SP and its interface modules. We assign the I/O controller that will be our network. In this case, it's the only network that we have, so we're just going to add it. We click on the device and we start adding the modules that we have. In this case, we have two safety digital inputs modules and one safety digital output module. The first module is configured as a potential group by default. On these F parameters, we will change the F destination address, which is our ProfiSafe address of the module. Then we continue to add the rest of the modules. We will configure this one also as a new potential group. You can see that it turns to a lighter gray color. This means that this module is going to be supplying power to the other modules located on its right side. We add all the modules that we have. In this case, we have 4 digital input modules and 4 digital output modules. We also add the server module. We go to Devices and Networks again, and we add the other components of our network. We also have an inside camera. We assign the network connection. We also have a rack of SMC valves. We're also going to add this one and assign it to the connection. Then we go to the PLC and select Compile. We check that everything is alright. We save our project and we'll begin to download. We will configure our PG-PC interface according to the one that we are using. And we will start search. We see our PLC, we select it and select load. We accept all the conditions and start download to the PLC. Once it's done, we select finish. We select the PLC and we go online. We see 2 of our devices working already, but our ET200SP it's not working. We will need to assign the ProfiSafe address to the modules. Once we assign the ProfiSafe address, that device will start to work properly. Then we go to the PLC and we can see that it's in stop state. We can see that on the diagnostics. We'll see that it's in stop state. We go to online tools. On operator panel, we will select run. The PLC now begins to run. Then we go to devices and networks, and we can see that everything is working properly.